Or welcome back to my channel. Today we will do some 3 ideas to do a aesthetic DIYs. Let's start. So the first DIY, we're gonna need some papers, and to start off, we're gonna need a black pen and a glue, and yeah. So the first thing that you're gonna need also is to draw a song. Just like this, I colored with the blue and some yellow, and we write the song "Fly Me to the Moon" with a little heart. So now we're gonna go and glue it to the paper, the big paper. You're gonna go tape it and spread the glue. So now put it on. After you are gluing it, really slowly with your hand, do that as shown in the video. And then you're gonna bring your black marker and draw Spotify logo. If you don't know what's the Spotify logo, it will be, I'm gonna go draw it, and I'm gonna put a logo over up, as you can see. Then draw some, lines, and we'll color all of the sides so it can be a little bit open. And then you're gonna go draw some lines. These lines, are, it's playing the audio. Whenever you play a music, it will be, playing like this. So go draw it. And then what you're gonna do is you are gonna draw the song, alright, the song name. The song name I'm gonna be using is "Fly Me to the Moon." I really like it, so I'm writing it right now. After that, draw a heart, because in Spotify there is a heart, so you can favorite it. And I colored it as it's favorited already. And now grab your ruler and draw a straight line. It's just small or medium, like this. And because there's some black stamps, I redraw a line. Then draw a circle. This circle will be, it's like playing. Whenever you watch a YouTube video, it will be like this. Now we're gonna make the play button. You're gonna draw a play button like this and color the circle except a little triangle. Okay. So now draw the skip to the front and skip to the back button, and repeat button, and an extra button to the next one. And voila! This is the first aesthetic DIY. So it's pretty much simple, and I made another one for a song called Sugar Crash. And now for the second craft, we will be needing a plastic clear bag and a wax paper. If you don't have, you can still use the plastic bag, and a tape and some stickers. If you don't have a printer, or your ink is ran out, you can go and draw some. Well, I printed these simple stickers, and then I print them. Now you can bring your plastic bag, and then what you're gonna do is place up your stickers on the piece of plastic bag. Like this. And then you're gonna grab your tape and now tape them. You're gonna, simply tape them. Then I outline them in a line, so I can use just one piece of tape to about 3 stickers. Push in, and this little adventure sticker and a bird, and then I grabbed the tape and put it. Oopsie, here this one gone wrong, so I fixed it again and then tape it. And when you're done taping it, go and cut it out. With your scissors, you're gonna go cut it. Now go cut it. Hello. And yeah, you're gonna do the same step for the rest of the stickers. Okay. And cut it up. I got struggling over here. Okay, I don't care. Okay, so after you're done taping, you're gonna go and cut out your stickers, as well as you don't forget to keep some tape up. I'm gonna go show you right now. So yeah, and you're gonna go and draw some butterflies. If you don't have, you can go print ones or draw. And now you're gonna go and fold them, as you can see in the video. I folded them. After that, you're gonna bring a piece of string, basically a string, or yeah, and then cut a piece and grab your tape. Okay, so then you're gonna go and put the string inside the butterfly, the folded edge, and then you're gonna bring your tape and put a piece of tape on it. Well, I did about 4 butterflies. That will be so cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go put it. Okay, so now I'm done aligning them. We'll still one, I guess. So you're gonna go put it. Yeah, if you don't have tape, you can go use some glue or baby gum or whatever. Use taper, or I prefer to use tape. So now you're gonna go put it. And voila, now we're done. So what we're gonna be using this basically, and go put the last one. I'm gonna go put the last one and come back. So guys, after you are actually done putting your butterflies, the amount of them, you can go now hang them in their room. You can hang them wherever you want. Well, I hang them over there. It looks so cute, actually, and yeah, it's cute. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as well as share this video for your friends. And go write down in the comments hashtag art with KOKI. And in Instagram, follow me there. It's malakas899. And as well as if you did one of these crafts or DIYs, go mention me in the Instagram post and hashtag art with KOKI. Bye guys. See you in the next video.